Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make some butternut squash in the oven, and I'm gonna rub it with some onion paste and some garlic paste, and we're gonna put some organic olive oil on it and some seasonings, and we're gonna bake that in the oven. Yes, you know, squash is one of those things where we need to learn how to cook it in other ways so that people will really like it. It is a great vegetable, but most people don't like it when it's mashed up. I think it might be just too soft for them, I'm not sure. But when you cook it in the oven, it firms it right up, okay? So let's get started. Thank you. So I have 2 packs of butternut squash right here. And this is my pan that I'm going to be using. Let me turn your attention over to where I'm at. Okay, so I'm just going to put them right in. Alright, so now I'm going to put some sea salt. A little black pepper. And I'm going to put some turmeric. If I can get it to come out. Okay. And I'm going to add some onions. Onion paste. So I'm going to go with 2 heaping tablespoons of that. That's 1, 2. Okay. And then I'm going to add some garlic paste. So we're going to call this onion garlic butternut squash. How about that? How that sound? Okay, so I did like equally, maybe I'd say 1 heaping tablespoons of garlic, because it wasn't quite full. Okay, so now let's add the olive oil, organic olive oil. Alright, you want to make sure it's saturated. Okay, now I'm going to just mix that in really good. Alright. Now we're going to cover this with aluminum foil. We're going to cook it in the regular oven on 400 until it gets soft, okay? Don't mix it, don't stir it, just stick a fork in it and see if it's soft, okay? My guess is around 30 to 40 minutes, okay? Okay, let me wash my hands. Alright, we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so listen, let me give you the word of the day before I show you the butternut squash. Okay, so remember, we baked in the oven butternut squash that has onions and garlic on it. So we're going to call that onion garlic butternut squash. Baked onion garlic butternut squash. Okay? Alright, so let me give you the word of the day. Okay, so have you been in touch with family lately? Do you even call family anymore? You're that busy that you don't want to know how your brother and sister and your mother and your father and your uncle and your people are anymore? Well, listen, you need to get in touch with them because they need to know that you care about them and that you love them. Okay? So the word of the day for this one is reach out to family and show them some love. That's the word of the day. Go ahead, you can do it. You can go over there and visit them. You can call them. You can fly and see them. You can drive and see them. Any way you want to do it. Please, reach out to family and show them some love. Okay, that's the word of the day. Alright, so let me show you the onion garlic butternut baked squash. Yes! Let me put the camera down. Okay, so it's out the oven. Let me show you that. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I think I can touch that. Okay, so you can see I didn't stir it, so it's still in the cubes as it was when I put it in there. Okay? Okay, so now let's take and see how that tastes. Okay, and for your view, and let me get a thumbnail. How about that, huh? Wow. Let's see how the garlic onion baked butternut squash tastes. Just gonna taste one. Mmm. It tastes like butternut squash, but not the mash. It doesn't taste like the mashed butternut squash. It almost reminds you of, oh, something cubed. But very good. I like the taste of it. And I think you'll like it too. Try it, okay? Let me know. Okay. Alright, so give this a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. What are you waiting on? You're going to join the family over here. We would love to have you. And I'm going to welcome you with open arms, okay? Alright. Check out the links below. And let me know how we're doing, okay? Comment now. Okay, bye-bye.